Do you run and jump and play each day? How does your body move and how does your body stay upright? Your body's able to do all of these things because of your skeleton. We each have a skeleton that's made up of bones joined together. It's our body's framework. Our muscles attach to our bones, and that's what helps us be able to move. Our skeleton also has an important job of protecting our organs. Our skull protects our brain, and our ribs protect our heart and our lungs. This means that if you were to have a hard impact or an injury, your organs would stay safe. Our skeleton also helps to produce important minerals and blood cells. These do things like fight off infection and get oxygen to your organs. Our minerals are stored in our bones and are released when our body needs it. So next time you're out running and jumping playing, say a big thank you to your bones and your skeleton for helping you to move, keeping your organs safe, and keeping your body healthy.